Fine weather. Glad I put my wall on the wrong side. The storm's coming from the other direction. That sucks. Oh well. At least I can't see where I'm going. If it snows this deep, I'm not going anywhere. Well, cold. Had to rid the snow all another 2 feet. The wind's coming from unexpected directions. Well, the weakest quarter, of course. Denali. Castle. The wind doesn't come from this direction, but I guess normally, what do I know? The funny thing about being out there is I was just in liner gloves, my wonderful 40 below booties. Thank you very much, 40 below, for those. My basic puffy and my jacket, and just my climbing pants, not even shell pants. I'm a little cold, but no damage. Yeah, sometimes it's windy and you should be dying, but you're motivated to build that wall because you know how bad this can get. Oh boy, all right.